Malala malia ho e ki mulele ai tonga hono kotoa. Whiawhia ke utaritali le ki mūtong ke o mo uni o ngongo, me le teo ke o maafu ke televisa ne tonga ki he hawani. Wakai koia ki he ngahi ulu i o ngongo. Fuafua whakailonga i tongani i he ahoni, ai ahawha maman lahi ahono whakamana tua ai ni ihi na anau pekia, mo wesia me he whatamak whaina tula koe mo fui ke. Whakatoanga i potunga e polisi ke kakae whanua whikau ake mo i whakamatala loi ne tufaki holo i he pēsi mitia whasosiale i loa koe tonga whilafuaki. Pea whamaoni alea pawa tongani mo i kautaha mau anga iwi koe EXG ki hono keli e mau anga iwi malawa ke whafo ohu me i he makawhi. E te iai pe me ngahi talanoa ke he anaiangi whataha mo i wakai ke he whamumitaha me i he malai o sipoti ka o maafo ke whamatala e aka koe wakai lewa eni ke he whakaiki ki ko sonorita tu i vai. Kua tohi i historia a tongani, ai fuafua taimi ke whailonga iai ai ahawha maman lahi, a hono whamanatua ai ni ihi na anau pekia mo wesia e nau mo ui me he whatamak whaina tula koe mofu ui ke. Nā e whakahoko ai i he pongpongi o i ahoni ai polokalama makehe o tataki i he vaasioloki, ai potunga o i whanua me koloa whaina tula ke whailonga i aki ai aho mahu ingani. I he whamatala i pule lahi potunga i whanua me koloa whaina tula tani rakula, ko i muwhi ke lahi taha ne hoko i tongani i he tautahiwa whituwhitu na e whiunga ahono mālohi mo i walu tesimale ua. I he wāwhi maono na i hoko ai mowhui ke whiunga ahono mālohi mo i walu tesimale noa o iku ke hoko ai holo ai konga whanua i li fukaha apai. Pia mapaki ai konga hala o mawai ua ai whanua ki lalo whanua o whiunga hono loloto ki he fute e ua. Ka i he ta wāwhi mahiwa, koe ta uia ne le kōtia ai kau mālolo tukulahi taha i tongani i he peau kula ne whakatupunga e he mawhuike ni hoko i niwa Tongatapu. Ai ne mālolo ai kakai e toko hiwa, pea lawe alahi ai toko fitu.
Ka koe ngai whatamaki make he ki mui ange i he wāwhi maono, ne hoko ai mawhuike, ne hoko ngahi mau, holo ai tau ai wharelot i tongani. Pena hoko ai mo e holofa ai konga whanua i lifuka, hapai, na mapaki ai konga hala, o lava ke mawaiua, pe awa e whanua ki laro whanua, pe hoko e holofa koe ni, ngai whitu koe ni i lifuka, o au ki me fute eua, ai holofa koe ki tahi, pe aku oho mai e tahi ki loto whanua, au hia i pewa o mai ke ahoni, ai more ai ko whanua koe i hapai. Ko wāwhi mahiwa, ne hoko ai mowhui ke lahi, i he whakatoke lau hahaki ko ia o niwa Tongatapu, o ne whakatupua hape au kula, ne more ai mo ui e kakai e ta whanua. More ai mo ui e toko hiwa, i niwa Tongatapu, ia i ngai aho nei muimui atu, ne te more ai mo ngai mo ui e whaa, pena iau ki he maalunga e peau kula ki he mita e tahawalu, ta whako ia hanga ki mata ki he whitu ne hau mea e mowhuike, iau ki he mita hiwa e no maalunga e ni takai hake ki ta whakwahi fo ki ngahi kolo koe ne tuu koe ta whako ia.
Lo tonga inina te pehe e kola, o hoko mai mowhuike ki tongani o te alupe ke te lalahi ange, pe au whakahamahi no mai e tuulawe angafua a tongani ke he mowhuike ko hui koe tuu whakasio ka lafi a tongani.
Koe ngahi whakatamaki koe ni, o kune whakamanatu mai ka tiktau tolu, koe tuulawe angafua a tongani o kumo oni, pe au hoko at pe ke kahau. Ufai e ngāwe a e pureanga tonga, ke whakasi a ngahi wesia ko ia whakatamaki ko ni ko mowhuike. Aki e tau whenga, ke tau langa, whakafoki, o toi le rei anga. Pe koe visone ko ia ko Build Back Better Vision, a pureanga. O whai ia mai pureanga ko i mai whanua ko tonga. Ka koe ngāwe ko ni, koe tau mua ia ke whakapapau, koe langa whakalakalaka toa pe, o whai ia i hawhitu o maluanga, moha atakai o toi reia.
Kai ke he oku whengai aki wao whe potu ngā we mo e pule anga sia pani ki ana whakaivia a tongani ke e whasisi a ngahi wesia tupu mei he mowhui ke. Nā me ang pastor se apani ki Tongani, His Excellency ina kakihisa o pehe, o ku kei tuku pā kakato pia a se apani ke nau tukonia a Tongani, ke whakaivia ai vi malawa o Tongani, ke hao moe malu. Aki ai whakapaanga ngahi langa whakalakalaka ke ne malawa o matuuaki ai mofui ke. Ika ingata e kono tokonia whakatau ke e kau ngawe i Tongani, ai o kunau ngawe whakapatonu ke mofui ke nau te ilolahi ange, mo tau ke he mea e whai i he taimi o hoko ai ha mofui ke. Ko tuku mai ai whakatokanga e potunga e polisi o whikau aki mai pēsi mitia whasosiale o iloa koe Tonga whilafoaki. O whikau aki mai whakamatala pe o ngongo hala na ane tukhake i he pēsi Facebooka i he ahoni. Ko e whakamatala koe nio pe he na e mau he kau ofisa polisi me i Tongatapu ai kilo e tolunge au kalasi whaito o Tongatapu koe IC ai ane mau ia i anau ngawe taha i vavau. Koe mau koe ni lolo tonga e sivi kuata e ngahi me alele i vavau. I ene pe heok whaka ikai i eni me he potunga e polisi whikau aki me whakamatala koe ni o ikai ke mo oni. I ene pe heok utuku mai e tapo ma o lunga ke kakai o whanua ai whaka ehi ai mau e ngahi whakamatala hala me ngahi pēsi media whasosiale o ikai ke whakaprofessionale. Ko whamoone lea Paula Tongani mo e kautaha mau angaiwi ko EXG i Amerika ke whakahoko hangawe i Tongani o whikau aki mo e keli ai makaafi ke ngawe aki ke mau angaiwi malawa ke whakafo o. Kona whakahaine e ki pale mea no pele whawhanua i he whakataha mo e kau whayongongo ane awhi. I he mea pale mea no pele whawhanua nāni pehe, ko e whakamooni ko eni ne whakahoko ia i he ngahi wike kua maliwatu i Dallas i Amerika. Ko e kautaha ko eni tēnā whakahoko ai keli e makawhi i he ongo ni wā mo tofua ke ngawe aki ai makawhi ke he mauangaiwi malawa ke whakafo o. Ke tokoni ke whakasi i ano ngawe aki ai tīsolo ki he uhi la.
Na e whamooni i Dallas ai MOU pa mo e kautaha energy o kui ko e EXG e toki tuku atu pe ai press release mo ngai whai kiki. Ka koe kautaha koe ni koe kautaha nau whahoko ai keri ke mao e iwi me he makaafi koe whanua. Ai au ku whai sio ke mao e iwi koe ni me he o ngāwhi ka wai o niwa pēr mo tofua ai e malawa pe i he kahau ke mao e tau uhila me he makaafi pe taki mai me ai ki o motu pe mai ki Tongatapu pe ko hapai.
Nai te mea no pele whawhanua whakamala ala ki he lelei a hono ngawe ake makawhi ki he mau angaiwi malawa ki whakafo o i he mahino o te lelei ange ia i he la a pia mo i hawili.
Ka koe ngai ngawe ko ia tene hanga e o whasisi e tau whawhalala ki he pensini pa mo disolo. Pe o te lelei ange ia i he sola mo hawiri ka uhi koe vela koe makawhi u koua ua wha. I ki he whawhalala ki he puhi hawiri, ange hawiri pa pewho ki he aho, he taim kou hopo ai mo toi la a. Tatau e pepe koe ape o pauri, pe o matanglahi, pe o kua wha, pe o haa ngai whairiri wakwa na tula, e kei vela pe makawhi o ne vilohi ai ngahi turbine, pe o ngahi generator koe na whahopo e uhi la kei whanua. Ai koe ka tahani hono ua ku tau whamon ki ai whai ngāwe. Pēo ku whawawe ngāwe koe ni, whai ai poupou, pēo tau whamalo ki Puranga Amerika, koe ui koe nau poupou i ngai kautaha koe ni ki nā wā mai ki he tau potahi e Pasifiki. Koe kautaha koe ne whamon ki ai MOU, klo tonga whai nau ngāwe i Vanuatu. Ai koe koe fufo taimin nau ngāwe mai ki tau potahi. Ka koe whalala anga ai teknolosia koe ni o kumaolunga au pito. Pea koe mao ngā iwi peo ngā ke ngai whanua la hiko ne toki au maini ke ngai motu iki. Ai au ku whai ngā aue koe ni ke whahoko pe e wawetaha ko uhi koe mau inga ai uhila.
Kai ke he koe konga pe e ni ngahi alelea pure anga ke whainga ma atongani ke lelei whakaloko fua pe he ke he veteki anga ngahi palupalema ku whianga ngai mai whanua o whikau aki mo e koloa lolo pe he ki he uhila. O ko tāke te minista e potu ngāwe whalatofonua whane fituafe i he kulupu ko e toko ua fulu o kuna whawhunga i a Tongani ki he konfilenisi whamamanlahi ai ka kaiwhewhine i loa ka Women Deliver ai a o whakahoko i he wikeni i Melipoane, Australia.
Ia ngongo tuku mai me potu ngāwe, ngai ngāwe whalatofonua, o whakahai ka kulupu me Tongani o ku kau atoa e kau whawhawhonga me ngai potu ngāwe whakapureanga, kai pehe ke kau whawhawhonga me ngai kau taha i kai whakapureanga. Koe konferenis whamamanlahi koe ni o whakatahataha atuai e kau taki i pureanga, kau hoa ngā ue whakalakalaka, ngai kulupu ngā ue ku nau tau ka vei ai ngai ka venga ke he whilawe i mui ka kai whewhine. O whakatau mua e konferenis koe ni ki a lea iai e wahe tatau a whewhine mo tangata pe koe gender equality, kai pehe ki whakamau totonu. Lolotonga e konferenisi, nai mea e minista i e whakataha makehe tataki e ngahi waa ngā ue whakawhalealea a Australia mo Asia. O ku tuku atoa e minista i e whakataha koe ni e whakamatala whakawhonua a Tongani. Ai au whamamawha iai e ngai ngā ue ko lava i Tongani ki e toi whakaivia ai ngā ue o whakahoko whilawe i moe tā mo whakamamahi i oi kakai whewhine. Whakalelei o ngai whainga maali e ke ngai polokalama kau katoa, peo me ngai ngāue kotoa o whakahoko ke teke mo poupou ke kakai whewhine, hako tupu oi whonua, me ngahi kulupu tu ulawea ngofua. Mai o ngonga le te o me televisione Tonga, ko auritea tau kapo.
Pea koe uhika mahu inga ahana whamamawha e ma o mea tokoni mo ilelei ki he longa i whanau iki. Ko tai mo ai a kolotoloto o longo te me i he polokalama tokoni mei he puleanga o Nuku'alofa o whakafou i he mai e nima ki hano tō ai ngowe Vestapolo. Li te atau kapo mo e whaiki tala noa ko ia ki hauani.
Ia whaike e ke ngonga le te o televisione Tonga, ai pulea koe GPS a longo te me taki waha fotu waka. Nāne pehe o kunau whakatau mua pe ai ngowe Vestapolo koe ni ke toko nia mo whakamanatu mau pe ke kauwhai ako me whanau ako e mau inga o mau me tokon mo uilelei koe uhi koe nau kaha o.
Koe tau mua pe o ki ngowe Vestapolo koe ni kono ai pe o kauwhai ako kau maa ai whanau ako te kau aki te mo mau inga ai mo ulele ai whanau. Ku kau tuipe koe ki ngowe Vestapolo koe ni o kunihanga ia o whamanako ai ki whanau ke lau manako ki hono tō koe haki Vestapolo e rama ke lau mau mo uini ai i ka hau i kai koe ape ka te soko ia ka mea ke whatupurati ai e lau mo ulele.
Nā toi pehepe e whotukawa, ko mea mahu inga e ngahi polokalama koe ni, ko hi ko veke ai whanau ako ki mo uilelei.
Ai mahu inga koe ia, o e mo uilelei koe ai whanau. O tui koe ki ngowe Vestapolo koe ni ko o whakakato, i ka koni mai ai komisiona Nuku'alofa, wa fōma mai lima. Koe tahai haki polokalama lelei mo mahu inga o pito, e koe ki polokalama koe ni, o ku veke ai whanau ke nau tokanga ki ai kono hinga koe nau iro o mau inga di ngowe Vestapolo koe ni ke mo uilelei ai whanau.
Lolotonga e ni, na whakahoko e whaike eke me taha e kau whai ako, visi ni alea ai toa. Nāne pehe o ku kaulelei e tokoni koe ni ke nau whaka ai e whanau ke nau manako ki e kai a Vestapolo. Pe tokonia ki e kau whai ako, koe uhi koe aluange ke mamawha a Vestapolo.
O loa kipe ku whakawhiawhia au pito. O mauango i whiawhia au pito he maulawe ai he ki i tokoni koe ni, ne he pule anga Nuku'alofa. O loa kipe koe hangepe tau ilo i koe whanau ku ika ke nau sai ia he kai Vestapolo. Tau ku whakawhiawhia koe ki tokoni eni e taha e lawai ke mauhanga o whaka ai e whanau ke nau manako ange ki he kai Vestapolo. Koe wapu whawhiawhia pe ki he kauwhai ako ki ngowe koe ni, koe uhi pe ku koe mamawha Vestapolo he taimini pa o ku tātai tahai ke mau kai Vestapolo e kauwhai ako kau ku whawhiawhia ai mau e ki ngowe Vestapolo koe ni te mau lawai o mau ta e totongi pea mau te mo uilelei ange mo mau toru kauwhai ako.
Pehe e lea ai toa, o ku hoko e polokalamani ke toi lelei angi ai ahono ako i e whanau ki e mao me toko ni mo ui lelei. Heo ku ne whakakau e whanau ako i ngā wei ai ngou e Vestapolo ke nau mata tonu ai ai mahu inga o mea toko ni mo ui lelei.
Ko ki ngā oe peke whakahoko, ko hono ako i e whanau. Ako i ki nau tolu ke nau mahu inga ia i he Vestapolo, pia ke nau ilo, o ku mahu inga au pita Vestapolo ke mo ui lelei, ke mo ui, ke te mo ui lelei ange ai whanau, pia mo ui fuoloa. Hange koe lau, koe sino mo e atamai o kuna tahape, ka uesia mo ui lelei e sino, e uesia mo ui lelei e atamai.
Nā toi pehepe e le ai toa, koe ngahi ngā ue anga maheni pēa whanau ako me kau whai ako, kono tauhi, toka ngai, fui i mau pē, mo huo ke ma ala ai ngowe, koe hika siofia ai mo ui ai ngowe. Lolo tonga e ni, nai mahino i e whakaiki eke koe ni, whakafuafua ki whanau ako e toko fituono i e GPS alongo te me. Kau whai ako ai e toko whā, pa koe mahu inga i e polokalama tokoni koe ni, koe uhi ko si ilonga i whanau ko e ni, ok nau si ta i maali ai, we nau veke ke mao me tokoni mo ui lelei. Maa ngonga le tio me television e Tonga, ko auri tea tau kapo.
Uni o ngongo whalatofonua ki ho wani te wakaile wahen ke whamumutaha me he mala e oe sipoti, whakauka te pia oli e.
I he whetaki nima e komisoni whamawhora rea Tonga me potunga au e ngahi ngā ue whalatofonua pe mia. Malawa i ke whamawhola te mala e sipoti me whea ahi Super Rugby Pacific wanoa ua no. Whamalo ke 8 minista me ka whahi sipoti ai potunga ue i whenga e aki ua whakahoko. Malo mo tau ki whilonga ki koe whakaini ke mala e oe sipoti. Nei kei te he tuku haiwi e kalampu soka whewhine hau a Nuku he tolu, i hono tupangi e lotokolo e temi bea mei aha mo Amerika. I ene whainga whakaose whiahoe a Oceania he tumotuku ki aki kai koe nima ki he noa. Koe o la whawhiwhia ki he whaiako la whaile moala bea mo ene kaunai te he teuteu na nau whahoko i he whorau koe ni moifofua taimi ke nau whawhiki ki ai he whiahoe o tau whare i ai ai temi miha mo Amerika. Koe waingani na e whepore pe whaharma mata, he na i kai tukuange he timi hiki kai pakihiki me whoi piri o te ha taimi ke whakalaka e bansa, i kau marukolo, bea neongo koe uraki kuata, na i kei mahanga be koe tawaki noa. Ne mei ke mao e whenga maria e bansa, ke whakalaka he laini tifeni e kau marukolo koe aia time Nuku he tolu, ka na i kai haase e lostika wheke mo Sofiana Moala e whenga maria ni kai pango, na malu i lelei mai be e reiana fo mai ai loto kolo ko ia timi ai pansa. I he ngaloko e midfielder ko ia timi hamo Amerika ne whakatonga i he te matonga ko e whainga maari e ni ke whakatu ai e poino Nuku he tolu he nai whakataupi ko e reo kolo ko ia pansa e miniti hono ua tolu. Ne e kai ke mamao mi ai ko toi engineer e lostika whe ke ai poini hono ua kai ave e Sofiana Moala e whekau ke whawhihalaki e mao ko ia pansa o toi unuha ke Nuku he tolu ua ki he noa. Ko e whoki whakonga hono wana i kai toi Messi a Lafaere pe mo ene palani ki hene timi o tupangi ai i he kapteni Caroline Fonto e laine tifeni ko ia bansa ke mau whenga mahari e Crystal o tāna ke toi poini hono tolu he miniti hono ni mangofulu maa tolu. Ne osi mea miniti hono fulu ko toi tolo hake a sikini taurama toi tāna ke toi poini hono wha he miniti hono tolu pe toki sila i e fotu ai kofini e bansa ke puka i pe e Nuku he tolu e sea whika ua te pire lau poini e whea huini. Neongo ukai ke whalau e ango timi ki Papua New Guinea, ko puka i he bua i kurabe me o tumotuku ki e sea e tahana e toi mai ki he whea hui ko ia ai ngahi timi whewhine ai Oceania. Ne hiwa i pea Nuku he tolu e ongo mai soa e whea hui i e nau ikuna ko ia ne whia i he o tumotuku ki.
Ko pia o lia ia me whamumitaha mei he mala e o sipoti, ka te tau hoko heni ki he whamumitaha mei he whamatala ea, to unga o ea a ia mei he potunga i meidek, whahokatia e i no ke lelenga.
Malo e lau maare ho iki pa mwelelea e tonga kotoa tai rei pik motor ki e tau whamatala ea. Ngahi tala nola lahi vane tau whamatala ea e lahi ki alo maare pe o tonga, tau whai whanunga koe hoa wa whaka hoko mai, ka uku malawa ki e hanga he uha tū moto, pe mea o tāmaki ko ia mi he whakatonga haha ke. Potu tahi ko ia o Tongatapu e ua pefo ki Telitonga pa mu Telitoki lau, oku malo e haviri au ki haviri hako ki po tahi ko e whakatonga. Pea koe whakare wain ki he imisi satellite ko e ahoni, hangepe ko ia o haa mahina uta me imisi satellite, nei lahi alomari e pe ngahi wahi whanua ko ia o Tonga ke ahontu ke hanga ngahi au fia, ia ngahi taimika nei lahi pe ke alomari e. Ko ia alo tāmaki eru ne toka ki e po tahi whakatonga hi hahake ko ia o tu Tonga, a hangepe ko ia ko haa atu ko e. Pea ko alo tāmaki nu ne omi ai hako, malohi ko haviri hako ki po tahi ko ia o Tongatapu e ua, pea pe foki ki Tereki Tonga, pea mo Tereki Toke Lau. Pēne pehe kumatunga ia e hoko to no tuko te whatokanga hako pea mo whari koe ki ngai wakaiki. No te whito pineki po tahi koe Tongatapu e ua Tereki Tonga, pea mo Tereki Toke Lau. Ka koe ahoi ne nima koe ka hoko mai ki he o tu Tonga. Ngā uno te pea au tāmaki ki ne mamao atu ki he whakatonga haki koe o tu Tonga. Pea malawa ke ne kei omi pea ngahi uha tuumotoa. Ngahi tuumotoa pen, ia ngahi whitu peni ihi ki ngahi o tu motu koe o Tonga. O au ke whakaosinga koe o wikeni. Ka koe whakaosinga koe o wikeni, o au ke kamatanga koe wika au, al tāmaki tene ngā unufu ke heongo niwa, pe malawa ke ne omiha. Uha, lololahi a ngahi taimi, pe whoki ha mana ki heongo niwa, pea kauot ki ai pea mohawa, ki he kamatanga koe ia, o e wike kaha au. Ka koe whamtalaere wen pa me he poni, o au ki he pongpong koe ia a pongi, whakatoka ngā iangi, koe vai whanua koe o Tongatapu pa mo e ua, e lahi pike alomari, ka malawa ki a ngahi ua tu moto, ia ngahi whitu peni ihi. Ki Tongatapu pe mo ewa i he poni. Ngahi alomari e pe hapai pe fuki wawao. Kau malawa ki a ngai tu mato maa. Ki vai whanua ko ia o eongo niwa. Ko e mo tahine fua maa whanau ke poni. E au ki maulalo ko tikiri ua ki Tongatapu pe mo ewa. Ua whaa ki hapai ua tolu ki wawao. Pe ua nima ki he eongo niwa. Ko hawiri pa me tonga hake ki he kotoa pe ngahi wahe whanua. Pe pe fuki ki he potutahi o tu Tonga. Ai au hongo fulu tahanima. Mane tahi hongo fulu tahanima pe hika po ua noa. Ki he potahi koe tau te whito ki Tongatapu pēr mo eua, pēwhoki ki Tereki Tonga, pēr mo Tereki Toke Lau. Koe whamtala e koe ki a pongi, e lahi ki alomari e pē ngahi vai whanua, kako malawa ki a ngahi tuu motoa ki he vai whanua koe au haapai ki a pongi. Kao pēr mo Tongatapu ki hoa pongi, pēr pēwhoki ki heongo niwa, ka e lahi alomari e pē ki whawa, pēr whakau ki alomari atu ki Tongatapu, pēr mo eua. Ako malunga tahan ki a pongi, fua mawhana, e nofo ki he tikiri sase wahiva ki he tolutaha. Ki he whakatoke laua ki he ongo niwa. Pea koe taimi koe ia o e tahi. Tau maari e tahi i he hawhi koe whitu i he pongpongi. Pea mahatoka ia i he toi hong fulu koe ke taha. I he hoa tā ia pongpongi. Ka koe la pea moi mahina. Hopo la i he toi tolu koe ke whitu he pongpongi. Pea toi mahina i he ostahiwa koe pa mehni ma pongpongi pe moi a pongpongi. Aho koe nima ka hoko mai ki Nuku'alofa. Ka mata pa me whalaite au ki he tusite koe wika au. Koe whalaiteu malawa ke au whia langi ki Nuku'alofa pe ai mga ngahi uha tū moto. Whakau peke alomari e ki he tōnak sāpate. Pe whoki ki he moni te kamatanga ui kau ka au malawa ke iai. Ngahi tū moto maa pe ki he tōnaki sāpate. Pe whoki ki he tūsite ko ia o ui ke kaha au. Fua maa whanaen, e au ki he maalunga koe tikiri e walu ki he tolu noa i ki Nuku'alofa. Pe a koe taungatanga pe ki hani. Malopito mu mea mai, ka mu mea.
Malopito ino ke lelenga, koe whamumitaha ia o e tuunga o e ea, a ia mei he potunga o e mei te kā ki mua patau mawai, tau te wakai peheni, ki he ngahi ulo i hongongo. Fuafua whakailonga i tongani i he ahoni, ai awha maman lahi ahanu whakamana tua ai ni ihi na anau pekia, mo wesia mei he whatamak whaina tula koe mofui ke. Whakatoanga i potunga e polisi ke kakai whanua, whikau ake mo i whakamatala loi, ne tu whaki holo i he pēsi mitia whasosiale i loa koe tonga whilafua ki. Pea whamooni alea paua tongani mo i kautaha mau anga iwi koe EXG, ki hano keli ai mau anga iwi malawa ki whafu ohu me i he makawhi. Pea mo i kakate peha mo uni o ngongo i he lea whakatonga me leti o kai o maafoki ai televisioni tonga ki he hawani. Mo i ai whakaamunea o tonu atu ki loto whale o tonga hono kutoa. Whamalo te tau kei whi ao mai, ko Senorita tu iwai, ka mai.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonga News for this Wednesday evening, April 29th. Today's top stories. Tonga observes its first ever International Day in memory of the victims of earthquakes. Tonga police issue warning about misinformation on social media regarding a false police drug bust. And Minister of Internal Affairs leads a 20-member delegation representing Tonga at the Women Deliver Conference in Melbourne, Australia. These and more stories coming up later on in this bulletin, as well as the latest from the sports scene and the latest weather update to wrap up this hour's news package. Now for the news in detail, I am Popua Aho. The Ministry of Lands Survey, Planning and Natural Resources has led the first observance of the International Day in memory of the victims of earthquakes to be held here in Tonga.
A special program was held this morning, led by the Tonga Geological Services of the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources, observing International Day in memory of the victims of earthquakes, to honor those who lost their lives or were impacted by earthquakes. Guest of honor at the event was the Japanese ambassador to Tonga, His Excellency Inakaki Hisao, who is in his keynote address reaffirmed Japan's commitment to supporting Tonga in improving its disaster preparedness and safety. This includes funding development projects designed to withstand earthquakes. In addition, Japan is providing technical training for Tongan personnel directly involved in earthquake response, helping them gain greater knowledge and skills on how to respond effectively when earthquakes occur.
Immense loss of life, destruction of infrastructure, and profound social, economic, and psychological impacts across generations. Each time we have witnessed tragedy, but also extraordinary resilience and a deep-seated determination to rebuild and recover. These experiences have forged our deep commitment to disaster risk reduction, and they have informed global efforts, notably the Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction. This framework, named after a Japanese city, underscores critical principles, the paramount importance of preparedness before a disaster strikes, and the transformative power of Build Back Better in its aftermath.
Meanwhile, the Chief Executive Officer of the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources, Daniela Kula, says the largest earthquake to hit Tonga occurred in 1977 with a magnitude of 8.2. In 2006, an earthquake measuring 8.0 struck, causing land subsidence in Lifukaha'apai. In 2009, Tonga recorded its highest number of fatalities from a natural disaster when a tsunami triggered by an earthquake in Tongatapu killed 9 people and seriously injured 7 others. Kula added that earthquakes affecting Tonga are becoming more frequent and stronger, highlighting the country's vulnerability due to its geographic location.
Today marks the first time that the Kingdom of Tonga joins the international community in commemorating the International Day in memory of the victims of the earthquakes. We gather to remember those who have lost their lives and to reflect on what we must do to better protect our people. This day reminds us that earthquakes have caused significant loss of lives around the world, and no country is immune from their impacts. I acknowledge the Tonga Geological Services for their work in organizing today's program and their continued role in monitoring and understanding earthquake risk in the Kingdom. The Kingdom of Tonga is located in one of the most geological active regions in the world. Earthquakes are part of our reality. And in our region, they generate tsunami that can reach our shores within minutes. We have seen this ourselves. In 2006, an earthquake caused damages to Tongatapu, including damages to structures such as church towers, and led to land subsidence in Lifukaha'apai, where the ground sank in some areas by up to approximately 2 feet, with sections of the road pavements cracking and opening. This contributed to increased coastal flooding, loss of land, and ongoing coastal erosions. In 2009, an earthquake near Tongatapu generated a tsunami that caused loss of lives in our country, resulting in the loss of 9 lives in near Tongatapu, with additional fatalities reported in the days following the event.
However, the ministry is working closely with the government of Japan to strengthen Tonga's resilience and reduce the impacts of earthquakes.
Tonga Police has issued a warning regarding misinformation on social media, specifically a post shared on a Facebook page known as Tonga. The post claimed that police officers had seized 300 kilograms of illegal drugs, methamphetamine, which were allegedly discovered during a checkpoint operation in Vava'o. Police confirmed that this information was false and urged the public to be wary about information circulating on social media, especially from unverified sources. Tonga has signed an agreement with the energy company EXG from the United States to carry out work in the country related to drilling geothermal resources for renewable energy. This was announced by the Prime Minister Lord Whakawhanua during a press conference yesterday.
The Prime Minister, Lord Whakawhanua, says the agreement was signed in recent weeks in Dallas, United States. The company will carry out geothermal drilling on the islands of the two Niues and Tofua, with the aim of using geothermal resources to generate renewable energy and help reduce the use of diesels for electricity and the use of kerosene. The Prime Minister also explained the advantage of using geothermal energy, noting that it is more reliable compared to solar and wind energy. Unlike solar or wind, geothermal power isn't dependent on weather or time of the day. It provides steady baseload energy 24/7. Also, geothermal plants produce very low greenhouse gas emission compared to fossil fuel, helping reduce contributions to climate change. This initiative is part of the government's broader efforts to improve conditions in Tonga and address ongoing challenges related to fuel supply and electricity.
The Honourable Minister for Internal Affairs, Fane Fituafe, is leading a 20-member national delegation to a major international conference in Australia this week on the global stage for gender equality.
In a press release, the Ministry of Internal Affairs says the delegation, made up of government and civil society representatives, is attending the Women Deliver 2026 conference in Melbourne, which began yesterday and runs through to Wednesday. The conference brings together global leaders, advocates and development partners to accelerate progress on gender equality and justice. The minister is also participating in a high-level parliamentary forum focused on sexual and reproductive health rights, where discussions center on driving equality and ensuring justice. The forum is convened by regional and international parliamentary groups working in population and development. During the forum, the Honourable Minister will deliver Tonga's national statement outlining the country's ongoing efforts to strengthen responses to gender-based violence, improve access to inclusive services, and build a stronger partnership that support women, youth and vulnerable communities. The ministry says Tonga's participation reflects its continued commitment to advancing gender equality, strengthening social protection systems, and promoting the well-being of all citizens. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Nitea Taukapo.
And the Maianima initiative is promoting healthy eating among young children at the Longoteme Government's primary school, with recent donation provided to the school to help grow a vegetable garden patch to engage students in active learning about healthier lifestyles.
Recognizing the importance of proper nutrition for early childhood development, Longoteme GPS has taken the lead in a vegetable gardening program funded by the New Zealand government through the Maianima initiative. The project involves students actively planting and maintaining a school vegetable garden, an initiative warmly welcomed by the principal, teachers and students alike as it promotes the value of healthy living. In an interview, the school principal, Takivaha Fotukawa, says the main goal of the program is to continuously encourage both teachers and students to understand the importance of healthy food for their future. This garden is a way to remind our students each day about the importance of healthy eating and how it benefits their future. He adds that programs like these are vital, especially as they help build students' enthusiasm toward maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Meanwhile, teacher Vesiniale Aitoa says the initiatives also plays a role in motivating students to enjoy eating vegetables, while making it easier for teachers to incorporate lessons about nutrition into daily learning. She stated that it is important to educate students about the value of vegetables as they contribute to a healthy lifestyle for both the body and mind. She explained that the two are closely connected. When the body is unwell or becomes sick, it can also negatively affect a person's mental well-being. This program encourages students to develop a love for vegetables and helps us guide them in understanding their importance. She also notes that for some students who may not yet understand the benefits of vegetables, the program provides a practical way to teach how healthy food supports both the body and the mind. Students and teachers work together in maintaining the garden, carrying out daily tasks such as watering, weeding, and caring for the crops to ensure healthy growth. The school currently has around 76 students and 4 teachers. The program is seen as especially valuable in supporting these young learners as they develop positive habits and a strong interest in healthy living. The initiative highlights how simple, hands-on programs can play a powerful role in shaping healthier futures for Tonga's next generation. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Nitea Taukapo.
That wraps up this hour's news package, but before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. Tonga observes its first ever International Day in memory of the victims of earthquakes. Tonga police issue a warning about misinformation on social media regarding a false police drug bust. And the Minister of Internal Affairs leads a 20-member delegation representing Tonga at the Women Deliver Conference in Melbourne, Australia. That's your news package for this Wednesday evening, April 29th. For more on these stories, you can visit our website at www.tbc.to. Join us again tomorrow for the latest local and sports news and weather updates. Now, for myself and the Radio and Television Tonga News team, thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.